Hey guys, let me talk about the manufacturing industry and recapitalisation and where you can gain access to funds that wouldn't be as a traditional source of funding. So leveraging your existing customer base, your existing stock, and also your plant and equipment. Number one, leveraging your existing customer base. Banks apply and deem a tangible value to your balance sheet for the customers you have on a rolling basis. Number two, leveraging your existing plant and equipment. Let's get that plant and equipment revalued, see if there's any available equity, and get you cash immediately. Number three, stock. A lot of people don't know, but your existing stock that you hold at any given time as inventory in your warehouse is actually worth a tangible value to any lender. So guys, that's the manufacturing industry. Stay tuned. We'll be providing you more updates across a wide array of different industries across the marketplace in Australia. I'm Jason, the General Manager from Bespoke Financial Advisory. Thanks for watching.